One of my earliest memories is standing on a chair and helping my father as he struggled to find a word in Spanish, a language he was learning on the fly. Obviously, my help was not greatly appreciated at the time, but it was a very memorable moment to me. Being fluent in two languages, going through a bilingual education program through elementary and middle school, and having an undergraduate degree as a Spanish teacher are not enough. This is what I discovered since becoming a professional interpreter. It takes more than the command of two languages to adequately interpret. First, no one's vocabulary encompasses all of the various regional and cultural aspects reflected as people communicate. Second, many of the places where interpreting is most necessary, courts or medical settings, for example, have developed a vocabulary of their own which is unlike any found in other venues. Third, it takes special skill to manage the interpreting process so that communication really does take place. This may mean slowing down the process, keeping people from talking on top of each other, knowing when to interpret consecutively or simultaneously, among many other dynamics which are part of the human interexchange. Fourth, learning to focus, disengaging your mind from the myriad of thoughts which constantly plague us and fixating on the here and now. These and other skills are what we will be covering during the course on the basic skills of the interpreting professional. But the course is not just about developing a skill set. This will be a time to learn how to use an ability, being able to speak two or more languages, to help people relate. Many times the scenario encountered by the interpreting professional is the meeting of a dominant party and one who, at least at the moment, feels weak. The role of the interpreter then is not only to bridge the linguistic barrier and the cultural one, but also the disparity between people so that both can communicate as equals. If for no other reason, this makes the role of the interpreting professional especially important as we seek ways to reach out missionally into our communities. Whether at the courthouse, immigration services, or hospital, people need this kind of help. Whether professionally or as a ministry, people need what we have to offer. Now, you have an opportunity to hone your skills and become the interpreter you were meant to be.